In the olden days, negative behavior was being reinforced by always when a dog or an animal does something wrong, we penalize them for it. Until the shift started happening and they started thinking if we start rewarding them for the behavior we want, what happens? And the less attention and focus was given to the negative, not so liked behavior, they started realizing is the attention started going to positive behavior and more positive results was getting. So important for us in business and with our teams. How often do we really pay attention to what's going right? We often, because it's time. And a lot of people will say to me, but Krista, when it's right, why do I have to say it? I need to focus on what is wrong so that we can fix it. I get that. We need to focus on certain things to help and fix it and get it right. But if we only pay attention to the negative, what is going to happen?